Purchasing eBay gift cards. eBay gift cards offer a convenient way to shop for a vast array of products on eBay's platform. These cards are available through multiple channels, both online and in physical retail locations. Online retailers offering eBay gift cards. eBay's official website. Digital gift cards can be purchased directly from eBay's website. PayPal. Through PayPal's gift card portal, users can securely buy eBay gift cards. Kroger. Kroger's online gift card section offers eBay e-gift cards in various denominations. Best Buy. Best Buy provides digital eBay gift cards, which can be purchased online and delivered via email. Staples. Staples offers eBay gift cards with email delivery, typically within 24 hours of purchase. Physical retail locations. Selling eBay gift cards. eBay gift cards are available at numerous retail stores across the U.S. Availability may vary by location, so it's advisable to contact the store in advance to confirm stock. Considerations when purchasing. Denominations. eBay gift cards are typically available in various amounts, such as $25, $50, and $100. Expiration and fees. eBay gift cards do not expire and have no associated fees. Redemption requirements. To use an eBay gift card, you must have a U.S. registered eBay account and ship items to a U.S. address. Scam awareness. Be cautious of potential scams. Only purchase eBay gift cards from reputable sources and never share your gift card code outside of eBay's official checkout process. In conclusion, acquiring eBay gift cards in the US is straightforward, with numerous online and in-store options available. Always ensure you're purchasing from reputable retailers and be mindful of the terms and conditions associated with the gift cards.